Nigeria no dey safe o. Nigeria no dey safe for everybody, whether na dog, sheep, cow, mosquito, everybody no dey safe so far as dem dey that Nigeria. Unknown men rape 6-year-old girl to death for Kaduna State, and doctor report say the girl dem rape am through the anus, and the anus dey wide. To imagine the kind rape, and dem find hairs for the anus area, and then think say okay, maybe this hairs fit belong to the person wey rape am. My people, na wetin happen for Kaduna State? Abi una dey see the picture? The picture of the girl wey dem rape. See as they just package the girl like that. She is dead, just like that. Person don go like that. Abi una see the people wey gather? 6-year-old girl just die like that. Small girl wey go in neighbor compound dey play with other children. Na so the girl take loss. Mother, father, relatives, everybody dey find the girl. Finally dem find am for bush, and people talk say dem see 2 men wey wear black dey shine torch for that area, that place where dem find am. I no know whether na those men useless the girl dump am for that place. This thing na wetin happen for Kaduna State for Nigeria. And na the founder of Arida Foundation, her name na Hajia Rabi Salisu. Na she take this girl for burial. Now dem don bury the girl. The woman talk say even as the girl family no wan do anything concerning this case, say she go report give police, and now she don report, and then dey investigation on top this matter. Yes, I thank God say that woman come out straight, help them fight the battle, because the one already they put up forgiving spirit. Me, I no fit forgive anybody for this kind thing. No, my pikin dey 6 years old, you just defy. If to say na only rape sef, I feel dey reason am. This one they rape am to death. See say person pikin dey die, you still dey rape am on top. Which kind Nigeria we dey so? Every day rape cases dey increase for the country where we dey. Abi na still here where we hear Baba Ijesha. Before we know, they don't bring am out from bail. Wetin dey happen to our Nigerian men? They no fit keep their thing one side. Which kind konji be this one? This one na sent from hell. Oh. That kind konji na konji sent from hell. Because normal person wey get godly heart no go fit do this. He go hear the one wey dem rape pikin. Now that one dey shock me. Person wey never develop finish, then they rape for Nigeria. Now the country where we dey so. Abeg me, my own prayer be say, make them find this man, put am to justice. Yes. Ha God. Dem fit say okay, we'll give am 10 years in prison. Wetin be that kind of punishment? 10 years in which imprisonment? Make dem give am proper punishment. The one wey know say if he see pikin wey be girl, he no go recognize himself as human being. He go just see am pass like say breeze just pass. Even attraction no go. How is it even possible say person go dey attracted to pikin? Pikin o, person pikin wey dem push from womb, e dey attracted. The one wey dey shock me na all those people wey dem fit sleep with their own pikin, their own daughters. Na that one dey put me into shock. This one too mature. I no know how many dem dey rape person pikin to death. Anus o. Through the anus, how the pikin go fit survive that kind thing? Even when I dey try shit, I dey push constipational shit, I know how they struggle. Everywhere they red, everywhere they hot, blood fit even they gush out. Now pikin, I pity that pikin. I pity that pikin. If adult like me no fit take am, I pity that pikin. Which my people, I don't. The thing said they pay me. I don't even know how to even pour out this anger wey dey within me. Which kind judgment una think? Una feel say Nigeria go trace this man? Or after 3 days they don't close the case, nobody dey on top the case? Because na in Nigeria where we dey so, then they ignore important things. Important things like the way they're supposed chase till they find the person, they feel ignore am. Under 3 days is no longer a case. Under 1 week they don't forget am. Person pikin o, abeg make una drop the kind punishment wey go fit this guy when dem find am. Or una fit say dem no go find am for Nigeria, or una fit say he don pass border, dem no trace am. See, I trust US, I trust abroad. Na here where I put cap for them. They say dem find hairs for the private part, for the gay anus. By now, they do tests. They go dey run tests for the medical line for abroad. By now, you go don hear say yes, the hair matches this so person. The hair matches so person. Before you know, picture don come out, facial recognition. This one, bam, they don dey find the person. Before you know, the person dey behind bars. They don snap am back, side, front, put am. Everybody go know say na criminal, na rapist him be. But Nigeria, they don't see hairs. They don't know wetin to do with the hairs. They don't abandon am. Maybe they see am as wig or weave-on wey just enter that the get private area. Because in Nigeria, everybody know correct. Their upstairs don't lock. Everybody don't knock. People wey dey waka no one dey okay again. My people, I beg, make una keep the comment section rolling. Wetin una think, make una put am there. And no forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Now here I bar break for the day. See you guys in the next one.